Yo, my name's and this is a video on how to fix your Xbox One mic. I took out the headset already, and I'm gonna put, or the mic, and I'm gonna put this bad boy in. We'll see if it works. I'm making a little video real quick. Okay, so first we gotta figure out how to fucking open this dumbass. You take this bad boy. It's called a flathead Baluka driver, and you put it in here and go. See? Okay, here we go. So, we got it open. Here it is. We took that stupid bitch off, whatever, but fuck it. They broke. I don't give a fuck. Just hold the goddamn mic like, hello, hello, can you hear me, you fucking bitch? Okay. So, now we gotta get into the fucking wires. Alright, next thing you do is stab the fuck out of it. Here we go. Oh, you stabbed your thumb a little bit. That's priority on fixing mics. You gotta stab your thumb. Make sure you stab your thumb and you bleed a little bit. Sadly, I'm not bleeding a little bit, so I didn't do a good job. I must stab my thumb again. Just kidding. Don't fucking do that shit. Okay, we got the wires. We're doing good. We've gotten the Xbox One mic somewhat there. Now, what we need to do is bang it a little bit. Here we go. Make sure you hammer in the mic really good. So here we go. Where did it go? What the fuck? So here's our mic. Next thing we gotta do is bang it. So this will make it work perfectly fine once you plug it in. Okay, it's getting there. Alright, we're almost there. Okay, just gotta give it a little toss and it'll work perfectly fine. Where did it fucking go? I didn't land in the right spot. Okay, this time it's gonna work. The son of a bitch, he attacked. Alright. Come on, we got this. Fuck, it flew over the house. Okay, that means it's fixed. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god. Oh, shit everywhere. Oh shit. Go, go, go. Come on, we gotta get it. Don't ever catch me. Get that savage. Alright. There it is. Alright. So now one of the last steps is to pour some gasoline on the mic. Just make sure you get enough on there. Now, you want to light the bitch. And I'm sure it should be working after this. Perfectly fine. Brand spanking new. All about the bakalakos. Alright. Got our matches. I'm about to light the bitch. Alright. Here we go. Can't wait for my mic to work. Whoa. And there it is, guys. That is how you fix an Xbox One microphone. Xbox One mic. Alright, so after you've hammered in your mic, tossed it over the house, caught it on fire, you should have a brand new mic straight out of the gates of hell, Scorpion style, ready to talk to all your homies. Alright, well, that's the end of the video. I'll see you later, bitches.